Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining. I am Preeti, and today we'll explore how cloud based telematics is reshaping the way we manage commercial fleets, driving efficiency, sustainability, and deep operational insights. Fleet management used to be about keeping vehicles on the road. Now it's about connecting every vehicle, driver, and route into a single intelligent ecosystem. I'll walk you through the technologies, real world results, and where the future of connected fleets is heading. And I'm pleased to talk about it in the Conf42 Prompt Engineering 2025 conference. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am a senior technical program manager at Ford Motor Company. At Ford, I lead initiatives that combine cloud infrastructure, IoT, and analytics to transform how we manage mobility systems. My focus is mostly to build scalable, secure, and intelligent telematics platforms that enables proactive decision making and measurable return on interest. This work touches everything from predictive maintenance to sustainability tracking, bringing together data, technology, and human behavior to create more efficient fleets. And it's clear that the commercial telematics market is becoming a cornerstone of transportation innovation. You can see that the global fleet telematics market is projected to reach $214 billion by 2030. That's a massive transformation opportunity. Telematics enables measurable value. Predictive maintenance can reduce maintenance costs by 25%, and intelligent route optimization can save around 20% in fuel. These savings will compound across thousands of vehicles, improving profitability while also lowering emissions. In short, cloud telematics isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a strategic business decision that drives both sustainability and competitiveness. To understand why this shift matters, we need to look at how fleet management has evolved. In traditional fleets, everything was reactive: scheduled maintenance, manual inspections, and paper reports. This meant issues were often discovered only after breakdowns occurred, which was costly and inefficient. Now, cloud based telematics flips that model. Vehicles now transmit real time data about performance, location, and driver behavior. Fleet managers can now monitor everything remotely, and they can also automate insights. We have gone from reactive management to predictive intelligence by creating a safer, leaner, and a more sustainable operation. Now, let's look at the technical foundation that makes all of this possible: the cloud telematics architecture. Each vehicle becomes a data source through IoT modules that track performance, GPS, and environmental data. This data is protected by through multiple layer security, which is encrypted, authenticated, and verified from end to end. Now, hybrid connectivity, as you can see, is combining cellular and satellite. This ensures that data is transmitted reliably from anywhere, whether it's a dense city or a remote mining site. Once in the cloud, this data is processed by scalable analytics, engines that apply machine learning to detect anomalies, optimize operations, and even generate insights. In short, this architecture connects vehicles, drivers, and managers through a secure, intelligent digital backbone. Of course, none of this would be effective without reliable, always on connectivity. Now, fleet operations are only as effective as their connectivity. So, in urban environments, cellular networks provide fast, low latency data transmission for real time tracking and updates. But fleets, they can operate beyond coverage zones, rural highways, deserts, or construction sites. That's where the satellite backup steps in. Its seamless switching ensures that no vehicle ever goes dark. Intelligent algorithms select the best network automatically based on signal strength and cost. The result is a hybrid communication layer that guarantees uninterrupted data flow, operational safety, and full fleet visibility anywhere on the planet. Continuous connectivity enables one of the biggest breakthroughs in fleet management: predictive maintenance. In a connected fleet, every component, from engines to brake, becomes a monitored asset. Sensors collect this real time performance data, while cloud based AI models learn what normal operation looks like and flag deviations very early. Instead of waiting for breakdowns, we can predict and prevent them. This approach reduces emergency repairs, cut maintenance cost by 25%, up to 25%, let's say, and extends vehicle lifespan. Downtime drops, reliability increases, and fleet utilization improves dramatically. Predictive maintenance represents a cultural shift from fixing to foreseeing. Once the vehicles are healthy and connected, the next challenge is optimizing how they move. That's where intelligent routing comes in. Every route a fleet takes impacts cost, time, and carbon footprint. Cloud based telematics uses real time traffic. They look at the weather data and the load parameters to compute the most efficient routes automatically. The system adapts to the fly, rerouting vehicles around congestion or storms, balancing loads for efficiency, and reducing fuel consumption by up to 20%. This not only saves money but also reduces emissions, supporting sustainability goals. It's dynamic, data driven navigation that thinks ahead, not just reacts. Driver behavior is another critical factor in achieving these gains. It influences safety, fuel use, and asset life. Telematics tracks driving patterns, speeding, braking, idling, and uses this data to provide real time feedback. The results are striking: 30% fewer harsh driving incidents, 40% improvement in safety scores, and 15% longer vehicle life. Gamification and coaching makes it engaging. Drivers get performance dashboards, recognition, and even incentives for safe and efficient behavior. It creates a positive feedback loop between technology and human performance. Now imagine seeing all of these insights, vehicle, drivers, and performance metrics in one place. The operations dashboard is the command center for the entire fleet. Managers can see every vehicle's live location, health status, and estimated arrival time. Alerts notify teams instantly if maintenance is due or if a vehicle deviates from expected performance. Performance metrics like fuel consumption, utilization rates, idle time, they're all tracked automatically. Automated reporting saves hours of manual work and provides executives with a clear, data driven insight for strategic planning. And when organizations implement this technology, the results are transformative. Companies using cloud telematics see measurable results: 15% total cost savings, 20% better utilization, and significantly reduced emissions. Optimized routing, predictive maintenance, and safer driving directly improve return on investment while advancing sustainability goals. This isn't theory. It's happening today across logistics, delivery, and public sector fleets. The more data we collect, the smarter and cleaner our transportation systems become. And the next generation of connected fleets will take this even further. Let's say the future will be defined by AI, edge computing, V2X, and digital twins. Edge computing processes data directly in vehicle, cutting latency and improving response times. AI will autonomously make decision making, continuously learning from millions of data points. V2X, which is vehicle to everything communication, enables safer, more coordinated traffic flow. And digital twins will create replicas of entire fleets, letting us simulate routes, maintenance strategies, and even energy usage before implementing them in reality. So let's recap the key lessons from this evolution. Cloud telematics transforms operations, shifting from reactive management to predictive intelligence. Hybrid connectivity ensures reliability. Fleets stay visible anywhere in the world. Data drives sustainability. Route optimization and driver insights reduce both costs and emission. And the future is intelligent and connected. AI and vehicle to everything communication will define the next chapter in fleet management. These are the four key takeaways from what we have learned today. With that, I would like to say thank you all for joining this session. Cloud telematics is more than a tool. It's an enabler for smarter, safer, and more sustainable transportation. By connecting data, people, and technology all together, we can unlock new levels of efficiency and environmental responsibility. I look forward to continuing this conversation and exploring how we can bring these innovations to our own fleet operations. And I'm thoroughly honored to be speaking at the Conf42 Prompt Engineering 2025 conference. Thank you very much.